My dear students, good morning to you all. I am Dr. Gajendra Prasad Singh, Head and Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Jamnilal College, Hajipur, Vaishali. I hope that you all are well with your family members at your residence. My advice you to stay home and remain safe home. In the previous class, we have discussed electrophilic addition reaction, as we know that in addition reaction the first attacking reagent is an electrophile. Addition reaction to carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond under thermal condition is electrophilic addition reaction. In the case of carbon-carbon multiple bonds, that is carbon-carbon double bonds, or with carbon-carbon triple bonds, when the alkene is symmetrical, there is no problem in the prediction of the product. But in case of unsymmetrical alkene, problem comes in the prediction of the product or in the prediction of the addition product. So, Markovnikov's rule becomes helpful in the prediction or in the prediction of the addition product when an unsymmetrical alkene is treated with the organic reagent. That means, or we can say, in the addition of a polar molecule to unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of the reagent is added to the carbon atom of the double bond which had lesser number of hydrogen atoms. This is known as Markovnikov's rule. मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल का कहना है कि अनसिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन यानी असममित अल्कीन में प्रतिकारक का कार्बनिक प्रतिकारक का ऋणात्मक भाग कार्बन परमाणु जिस द्विबंध से जुड़ा है, तो द्विबंध से जुड़े उस कार्बन परमाणु से जुड़ता है जिसमें अपेक्षाकृत कम हाइड्रोजन लगे होते हैं। हमारा यही कहने का मतलब है कि प्रतिकारक का ऋणात्मक भाग कार्बन परमाणु के से जुड़े द्विबंध के उस कार्बन परमाणु से, मतलब द्विबंध से जुड़े उस कार्बन परमाणु से जुड़ता है जिसमें अपेक्षाकृत कम हाइड्रोजन लगे होते हैं, जुड़े होते हैं। दिस रूल कैन बी इलस्ट्रेटेड विद द एडिशन ऑफ HBr to propene, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2. CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus HBr gives us 2 bromopropane. In reality gives us 2 bromopropane, but 1 bromopropane is also expected. 1 bromopropane is not really obtained. This is explained. Why 1 bromopropane is not obtained is explained by Markovnikov's rule. Reactions that illustrate Markovnikov's rule are said to be Markovnikov's addition reactions. Mechanism of this reaction is that HBr undergoes heterolytic fission, giving H plus and Br minus. H plus is electrophile and Br minus is nucleophile. This is the first step. Now we come to the second step. This H plus is electron deficient and is highly reactive, whereas Br minus has octet of electrons. So H plus adds first to propene. CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus H plus. As this H plus electrophile comes near the molecule CH3 CH double bond CH2, the electromagnetic effect comes and this carbon number 1 becomes negatively charged, where H plus comes to link and CH3 is formed, and the second number carbon, that is CH, becomes, that C becomes positively charged. We can say a carbonium ion, 2 degree carbonium ion is formed, and this is more stable. So we can say this H plus, and H plus comes near CH3 CH double bond CH2, more stable 2 degree carbonium ion is produced, and this 1 degree carbonium ion is less stable. 2 degree carbonium ion intermediate is more stable. Hence an intermediate is more stable in A. Now in third step, this carbonium ion, 2 degree carbonium ion, reacts with Br minus to give the major product CH3 CH Vr bond CH3. This is 2 bromopropane. Thus Markovnikov's rule is based on carbonium ion stability of 1 degree carbonium ion is less than 2 degree and 2 degree is less than 3 degree. This is the stability of 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree carbonium ion. This is explained by Markovnikov rule. But when unsymmetrical alkene is treated with the organic reagent in presence of organic peroxide, the product obtained is different. It is totally different product than that. So, anti-Markovnikov's rule or peroxide effect or Kharas effect becomes important. In addition of a polar molecule to unsymmetrical alkenes under photochemical condition or in presence of organic peroxide, the electrophilic part, that means electropositive part, adds to the double bonded carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen attached to it. It is anti-Markovnikov's rule or Kharas rule or Kharas effect. The rule can be illustrated with the reaction of HBr2 CH3 bond CH double bond CH. That means propane reacts with HBr in presence of organic peroxide, gives 1 bromopropane. This peroxide effect is due to free radical mechanism of addition. In mechanism, step 1 is initiation. The peroxide decomposes to form a free radical. That means dibenzoyl peroxide decomposes to give C6H5 bond CO bond O electron. That is free radical. The resulting free radical reacts with HBr to form Br free radical. This C6H5 bond CO bond O bond, this free radical reacts with HBr to give benzoic acid C6COOH OH and Br free radical. In the second step, that is chain propagation, that this Br free radical reacts with CH3CH double bond CH2 to give a more stable 2 degree free radical CH3 bond CH electron bond CH2 Br. Then less stable 1 degree free radical CH3 bond CH Br bond CH2 electron. The secondary free radical, that is 2 degree, is the major product. That is 2 degree free radical is more stable than 1 degree. Major product is formed from more stable intermediate and hence CH3, CH2, CH2Br is the major product. So here CH3 bond CH electron bond CH2Br, that is 2 degree free radical plus HBr gives CH3, CH2, CH2Br, that is 1 bromopropane and Br free radical. In step number 3, that is termination step, Br free radical reacts with Br free radical to give Br2. Thus the anti-Markovnikov's rule is based on the stability of free radical intermediate. That is 1 degree less stable than 2 degree is less stable than 3 degree. Thus here we learn, that is Markovnikov's rule and anti-Markovnikov's rule. This rule is very helpful in predicting the addition product in addition reaction, that is electrophilic addition reaction. It is over. I would like to thank you, and rest we will study in the next class. Thank you.